Many years ago, my parents came to the United States from Haiti with not much more than the clothes on their backs and the American dream in their hearts. I think they have achieved that dream beyond measure, because my life is certainly not representative of the traditional trajectory of someone who would one day be nominated to sit on the Supreme Court of New Jersey. I was the first person in my family to go to law school. My father was a New York City cab driver, and my mother worked at St. Vincent's in patient transport. I am a first-generation American-born citizen, and English was not my first language. I spent my early childhood living in a cramped two-bedroom apartment in Brooklyn with 7 family members. My family then moved to Irvington into our own beautiful home, and we have been in New Jersey ever since. Standing here today, I know that I have truly lived and continue to live the American dream that my parents came to this country in search of. Thank you once again, Governor Murphy, for this honor, and I am so blessed and grateful for the opportunity to serve the people of the state of New Jersey. Thank you.